Welcome back to AI Foundation Learning. In today's video, we will explore an exciting and emerging topic in the world of AI, Agentic RAG. Whether you are an AI enthusiast, a beginner, or a seasoned professional, this video will give you a detailed understanding of what Agentic RAG is, recent developments, and its various usage patterns. Let's get started. The field of large language models, LLMs, and Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, has seen remarkable advancements recently. We're witnessing improvements in model efficiency, enhanced capabilities in understanding and generating human-like text, and better integration with real-time data sources. Let's highlight a few key developments. 1. GPT-4 and beyond. The latest versions of LLMs are more powerful and efficient, capable of handling complex queries and providing more accurate responses. 2. Enhanced retrieval mechanisms. New algorithms for faster and more accurate information retrieval, improving the performance of RAG systems. 3. Real-time data integration. LLMs are now better at integrating real-time data, making them more relevant for dynamic applications. 4. Advanced personalization. Models are becoming more adept at tailoring responses based on user history and preferences. So what exactly is Agentic RAG? Agentic RAG stands for Agentic Retrieval-Augmented Generation. It enhances the traditional RAG approach by enabling the model to act as an agent, capable of performing tasks autonomously based on the retrieved information. Unlike traditional RAG, which passively generates responses based on retrieved data, Agentic RAG involves taking proactive steps. These steps can include querying additional data sources, performing calculations, or initiating conversations with other systems, making it more dynamic and capable of handling complex, multi-step tasks. Let's dive into how Agentic RAG works and understand the key components involved. Agentic RAG involves several steps. 1. Query formulation. The agent formulates a query based on the user input. 2. Data retrieval. Relevant information is retrieved from external knowledge bases. 3. Action selection. The agent determines the necessary actions based on the retrieved data. 4. Task execution. The agent performs the required tasks, such as additional queries, computations, or initiating interactions. 5. Response generation. Finally, the agent generates a response based on the entire process. Key terms involved in Agentic RAG include autonomy, the ability of the agent to make decisions and perform tasks independently. Contextual awareness, the capability to maintain and utilize context from previous interactions. Adaptive learning, the agent's ability to improve its performance based on feedback and new data. Traditional RAG versus Agentic RAG. Let's briefly differentiate between traditional RAG and Agentic RAG. Traditional RAG uses a retrieval mechanism to fetch relevant information from an external knowledge base and then generates responses based on that information. However, the generation process is still passive. Agentic RAG, on the other hand, not only retrieves information, but also takes actions based on it. These actions can include querying additional data sources, performing calculations, or even initiating conversations with other systems. This makes Agentic RAG much more dynamic and capable of handling complex, multi-step tasks autonomously. Agentic RAG can be used in various scenarios. Here are a few patterns where it excels. 1. Interactive chatbots enhanced with memory and context awareness, capable of following up on previous interactions. 2. Automated research assistants conducting comprehensive research by autonomously querying multiple sources. 3. Dynamic customer support handling complex queries that require multiple steps or external data retrieval. And 4. Personal assistants managing tasks such as scheduling, reminders, and information retrieval autonomously. Agentic RAG can be categorized based on its function. Here are a few types. Information agents focus on retrieving and processing information from various sources. Task agents perform specific tasks autonomously, such as booking appointments or managing emails. Interactive agents engage in dynamic conversations, maintaining context and adapting to user needs. Analytical agents perform data analysis and generate insights autonomously. Several tools and frameworks can help you build Agentic RAG applications. Some of the most popular ones include LangChain, a framework that simplifies building applications with LLMs, including Agentic RAG. Llama Index provides efficient indexing and retrieval mechanisms. Hugging Face Transformers offers a wide range of pre-trained models and easy integration. OpenAI API allows access to powerful LLMs and supports custom applications. The field of Agentic RAG is rapidly evolving. Some of the latest trends include integration with IoT devices, enabling autonomous control and management of smart devices. Advanced personalization, using user data to tailor interactions and responses more accurately. Enhanced security, implementing robust security measures to ensure safe and ethical use. Real-time data processing, increasing the speed and efficiency of data retrieval and processing. Agentic RAG represents a significant advancement in AI, combining the strengths of retrieval-augmented generation with the autonomy of intelligent agents. It opens up new possibilities for creating dynamic, context-aware, and highly capable AI applications. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Foundation Learning for more insights into the latest in artificial intelligence. Check the description for links to additional resources and tools to get started with Agentic RAG. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.